I created this full, emotionally powerful Pixar-style movie using only ChatGPT and Google Veo 3.1. No big team, no expensive animation studio, just your idea and AI.
To my children, open together.
You found it.
I wasn't looking for it.
You've been up here every night since the funeral.
Peace. You got any of that to spare?
I didn't mean the things I said that night.
You said she ruined our lives. That she was holding us back.
I was angry. I wanted to leave, to make something of myself.
She wanted a family, Eli. You wanted freedom. Guess who got what they wanted?
Don't say that. Don't say that.
She died waiting for your call. She wrote it for us, but I can't read it.
Then let me. To my children, if you're reading this, it means I'm gone. Love doesn't wait.
She always knew, didn't she?
She did.
Then why does it still feel too late?
Maya, did you feel that?
Yeah. I think she just left.
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created The Last Letter, a 3D short film that tells a depth story about loss, forgiveness, and family entirely powered by AI. And by the end of this video, you will know how to make your own cinematic story, no animation experience required. The first part was creating a story with ChatGPT. As we all know, everything begins with a compelling story. Now, there are three methods you can use to write your story. Number one, you can hire somebody to write a story for you. And number two, you can write the story yourself, filled with emotions. And number three, you can use ChatGPT to write a story for you. In this tutorial, we used ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT I wanted a 3D emotional short movie. I asked it to help me define who the characters are, what they feel, and how light and sound would evolve with their emotions. And this was the basic prompt that you can ever give to AI. If you have no idea on how to write a script, you can start by asking ChatGPT, what's the best way to write an engaging 3D animated short film? And ChatGPT will provide you with the necessary details that helps create a 3D cinematic short film. This was the basic prompt that I gave ChatGPT. Write me a simple dialogue scene between two characters. These are siblings. It must be intense, relatable, and leave people in suspense. These were my goals and preferences. Define specific locations for these 3D characters and the correct camera angles to make it look high quality, detailed 3D dazzling Pixar-style movie. And ChatGPT was like, perfect, Jimmy. Below is a ready-to-animate script with natural dialogue, specific 3D location and camera direction, lighting, mood, and cues for a high-quality Pixar-style look, and a suspenseful ending that keeps viewers hooked. The title of the story was The Last Letter, and the genre was family drama. The duration was 3 to 5 minutes. The first character's name was Maya, and the second character's name was Eli, or Ellie, if you prefer it that way. And below was the first scene, the setting for the first scene, the camera angle, and this was the dialogue. Once ChatGPT writes the entire story for you, I highly recommend you copy it and paste it in a Google Doc and edit your story from there. Add your own emotions, your personal preferences, your own words, your own feelings, just to make it more personalized. Once we had the full story, the second part was the cinematic planning and short design, more like a storyboard. For each scene, I asked ChatGPT to describe the camera movement, the lighting mood, emotional pacing, and even sound cues. So this is what I asked ChatGPT. Expand this into a full cinematic script with sound design and camera movement per shot. So it went ahead to provide the camera direction, a shot, sound design cues, lighting and cinematic detail, emotional pacing for voice actors, and natural dialogue flow with subtext. Here the goal was to make it feel more like a Pixar short film, detailed, high quality, emotional, and immersive. Now, this step is critical because AI tools like Google Veo 3.1 rely on strong visual direction. The clearer your scene description, the more realistic your output would look. So it went further and provided the cinematic style checklist for the animation team, which is ChatGPT itself and Google Veo 3.1, and the tone notes for voice actors. Once the cinematic planning was done, the next step was creating our characters. So I told ChatGPT to give me a prompt I can use to generate these two characters, brown African 3D Disney Pixar style characters. And this was the prompt for the first character, who is Maya, the elder sister, a 3D Disney Pixar style character of an African woman in her mid-20s. And below was the second prompt for the second character, who is Eli, the younger brother, a 3D Disney Pixar style character of an African man in his early 20s. So all I did was to copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT and hit create. And this was our first character, Maya. And we repeated the same process of copying the prompt of our second character, pasting it into ChatGPT, generating the second character. And this was the second character ChatGPT generated for us. And once we generated our characters, I gave ChatGPT this prompt that said, "Great job. Now I want to generate more scene images for these two characters you have generated for me. You have generated for me the man and the woman for the story I have. You must keep all their features consistent. This includes their faces, hairstyle and color, skin tone, and other accessories. Are you able to do that?" This was the key question I asked ChatGPT. ChatGPT responded and said, "Yes, absolutely, Jimmy. I can help you generate more 3D cinematic scenes featuring your two existing characters while keeping complete consistency across face shape and proportions, skin tone and texture, hairstyle and color, clothing tone and details, lighting, and pixel style rendering." Now, it asked me, before we get started, please confirm how many scenes do you want to generate? Should the environment stay the same? What tone should dominate? I went ahead and told it to say the story has 6 scenes. The characters can maintain their accessories throughout the story. The background may change depending on the scene. Both scene images in different camera angles may be required depending on how long while the scene lasts. It said a perfect Jimmy and told me to say it will list all the 6 story scenes, and for each scene it will write a full image generating prompt, recommended camera angles, suggested lighting and mood, and notes on when multiple camera angles are needed. But before it generates everything, it asked me to confirm these 2 quick details so it can lock the visual tone perfectly. So all I did was to confirm everything that it asked me for, and once I confirmed, it provided a checklist for me where I must go through everything I've selected and ensure that all the details are as perfect as I needed them to be. And once I checked, all I did was to just type in saying, "Yes, everything is perfect. Go ahead and give me the prompts." And these were the prompts. They included the mood, the lighting, and the camera direction. Not only that, but for each scene, we had 3 different shots. Now, you do not necessarily need a lot of images when you're creating these type of movies. Sometimes you may only need 1 to 3 images for a 5-minute video, and from there just ask the AI to give you different camera angles for those images that you've generated. Now that we had prompts to generate the images, all we had to do was to copy these prompts and paste them into ChatGPT to generate an amazing image. This was the first image that was generated for the first scene, and this was the second image that was generated, and this is the third image that was generated. If you do not like the images, you can still ask the AI to regenerate them them for you. Now, as it was generating some images, at some point I saw some kind of inconsistency in my character's appearances. So I reminded it to keep the characters consistent throughout, like I mentioned earlier. So it checked everything and made sure that all our characters are consistent. And from there, I continued generating images until I was done. Once our characters were generated and the kissing images were generated, it took us to the next step where we needed to generate the animated video clips. Now, before we did that, I gave ChatGPT this long prompt. I'll leave it in the description together with all the tools I'm using so that you can easily follow along. And if you have reached this far, consider subscribing to our channel because more value awaits you. I'll not read the entire prompt or just read part of it. My prompt said, you are a professional film director, voice coach, and screenwriter combined. Your goal is to make this dialogue scene feel cinematic, believable, and emotionally alive. Analyze and expand the scene using these layers. The first one is the emotion and voice breakdown. For each line, describe the primary emotion. Is it fear? Maybe the character is sad or angry or love. The hidden emotion or subtext, what they feel but hide inside. And or the tone of the voice. Is the voice trembling? Maybe it's sounding sarcastic, soft, tense, or hesitant. Not only that, but the vocal direction. Include the pitch of the voice, the speed of the voice, the pauses, the size, or the hesitation. These are the time details that makes our animations or storytelling feel more real and emotionally rich. And ChatGPT responded saying, absolutely, Jimmy, you've just asked for what directors call a performance and emotional map, the most professional way to bring cinematic truth to a dialogue scene. Now, below is a complete 5-layer analysis and expansion on one of your most emotional moments in your story. Now, this was super important because I never wanted to describe how my character sounds, how they express themselves as they will be talking, their facial expressions, emotional reaction, but I wanted AI to do the entire work and process for me so that I can just copy the prompt and give it to Veo 3.1, and Veo 3.1 does the entire job for me. Here is an example it gave me. We've got Maya, anger, grief, trembling, control. This is one of the lines for Maya in this dialogue, and here it gave me the voice description. Sharp inhales before speaking, begins firm but breaks midline, slight vocal crack on that night, which is here. She tries to hold composure, but emotion leak through. This is just so excellent. Exactly what we needed to just get that cinematic feel. The same applies to Ellie and the entire story that we have. Not only on emotion and voice breakdown, it did the same with the cinematic direction. And once everything was in place, the only thing that was needed was to convert the images we've generated into animated video clips. And the tool that we used was OpenAI. Once we were on OpenAI, we selected video and selected image to video. Now here the first thing was to upload the first image for the first scene. And when we go back to our story, this is the first image that we must animate. All we have to do is download it. But before we upload it to OpenAI, I will highly recommend you come to pixelcut.ai. Here just expand your image a little bit. Just drag your image like that and select expand, and here select the aspect ratio. We'll go for 16:9, and as you can see, these are the details that are missing in our image. All we have to do is hit generate. Perfect. Once the image is generated, one more thing I love to do is upscale the image. Just select upscale and hit upscale. Wow, this is just so beautiful. Once the image is upscaled, we hit download. Once the image is downloaded, we come back to OpenAI. First of all, we select the model. We want to use Veo 3.1. Just select Veo 3. And you'll see the options to either go for Veo 3.1 or Veo 3.0. I'll leave it to Veo 3.1, leave the audio on, leave the resolution to 720 pixels and the aspect ratio to 16:9, add the video mode to fast. But you have the option to choose either fast or normal. With fast, it helps to save the credits. I'll leave everything as is and upload my image. Once the image is uploaded, here we need to provide a detailed description of the actions happening in the scene. all we have to do is go back to our story and copy the prompt that describes the first scene. For the first frame, we paste in this prompt that said, slow drone like pan across a quiet village at golden hour. Chimneys smoke lazily, birds scatter across the horizon. The camera rises and gently tilts toward an attic window glowing faintly orange, and this is what it generated for me. From there, we proceeded to creating more animated video clips according to our story direction. Here on the first scene, it describes Maya's emotion, the subtext, the tone, and the voice direction, and exactly what she has to say. All I have to do is copy everything, including the sound cues, come back to OpenAI, delete this image, and upload the second image that we generated. According to our story, this was the second image. All we have to do is select it and upload it. Once uploaded, we pressed in that detailed prompt that we had copied in ChatGPT. From there, all we have to do is hit generate. It took me 3 generations to get exactly what I was looking for.
To my children, open together.
And as you can see on our left, this is the exact prompt that we've just given it. From there, we proceeded with the same process. Now, according to our story, Ellie is like the one who begins the conversation. Here is the breakdown of Ellie's emotion, how he's expressing himself, the tone in his voice, and these are the words that he has to say. And after that, this will be his entire expression. And that's the power of detailing everything down. All we have to do is copy this part for Ellie, come back to OpenAI and delete this image and upload an image where Ellie is talking to Maya, his sister. And according to my story, this is the image. All I have to do is delete this prompt and paste in the exact prompt we've just copied from ChatGPT and hit create. And these are the exact results that we got.
You found it. You found it.
From there, all you have to do is repeat the same process. Upload the image that shows the clear face of your character. And number 2, upload a prompt that describes the tone of your character's voice, the emotions, and how they're expressing themselves. Once all those details are set, just hit create. And once you generate all the video files for your story, the final thing is assembling everything together. Just neatly organize everything in your folder. I highly recommend you number them chronologically so that you can easily spot out which clip has to go to which scene. And once we download all our video clips, and the 2 that I used was Premiere Pro. Now, here there are only 3 things that I did. The first thing was importing all the media files into Premiere Pro and assembling them in order here on the timeline. And once they were assembled in order, I cut out some parts which were not necessarily needed. And the second thing I did was adding some background music and some sound effects. You can find some cool sound effects on Pixar-Level or YouTube Studio Library. Just assemble them and align them in order to suit the vibe of your story. For example, here in the first scene, so I downloaded some background sound effects for birds chirping. Huh. Let me know in the comment section below how to pronounce that one. Chirping, birds chirping. And yeah, basically that's it. All you have to do is just drag and drop your sound effect anywhere specific you would love to place it. And the third thing was to add the cinematic bar. Let me know if you would want a deep dive in editing these type of videos. I would really love to hear from you, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. That's how easy you can use ChatGPT and Google Veo 3 to create yourself some cinematic short films just like the one you've seen. If you're here for the very first time, hit the subscribe button because more value awaits you. Let me see you in this next video where you can create amazing multiple consistent characters using AI. God bless you.